We'll guide you through how to add PDF file in WhatsApp Business account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to share catalogs, price lists, brochures, or company profiles with customers in a professional way. To begin this tutorial, open your phone, and for this example, I am using an Android device. Make sure you already have a WhatsApp Business account on your phone. If you do not have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store and install it first. After the installation is complete, open WhatsApp Business on your device. Once the application opens, you will see 4 main menus at the bottom of the screen, which are chats, calls, updates, and tools. Tap the Tools menu to display the available options. Scroll down through the list, then tap Profile to edit your business profile information. In WhatsApp Business, you can add a PDF file as a link in your profile so customers can access it easily. Scroll down until you find the Links section, then tap Website to add your link. After the website field opens, return to the home screen of your phone, then open Google Drive. In Google Drive, open the folder where your PDF file is stored so you can access it. Tap the 3-dot icon next to the PDF file to open more options. Then tap Copy Link to copy the file link to your clipboard. After copying the link, return to WhatsApp Business. Then paste the link into the website field and tap Save to store the changes. The PDF file link has now been successfully added to your WhatsApp Business profile. Next, return to the Chats menu for another way to add a file through chat. Then open one chat to reply to a message as an example. After that, tap the attachment icon located near the message field. Select Document from the available options, then choose Browse Documents to access your files. Make sure Documents is selected so the screen only displays document files. Then select the PDF file you want to send and tap Select to confirm your choice. Once everything is ready, tap the Send icon to deliver the file. You will see that the PDF file has been successfully added and sent in WhatsApp Business.